So in our paper, we find that life cycle models work better in forecasting future growth and future profitability. So we know that future profitability and future growth mean revert, for example, because of competition. However, besides this, we don't all know really well what drives mean reversion and what drives the speed of mean reversion. Historically, both academia and also practice have focused on industry as a driver of mean reversion and as a driver of differences in firm decision making. However, literature has shown that these industry models do not work well in forecasting future profitability. What we do in our study is show that in contrast to those industry models, life cycle models do actually work really well. So earnings and future profitability revert back to their life cycle mean, and life cycle models work really well in forecasting accurately future earnings and future profitability. So our results are really important for practitioners. As said, historically practitioners have used industry models to explain firm decision making, and we actually show that in our study we show that practitioners should consider using life cycle models as well. For example, you might be an auditor or you might be a manager. In all these instances you need to have information about future performance, and in many cases you need to have information on, or you need to forecast future performance and future growth. What we show in our study is that practitioners should use these life cycle models. And as one part of our study, we actually look at whether practitioners or one group of practitioners, financial analysts, whether they actually use this life cycle information. And we find that even though they partially use this information, they don't use it enough, they underutilize life cycle information. So maybe our study can contribute in making these practitioners or making practitioners aware that life cycle information is important.